guys, my name is Los Akiyama and welcome back to Cash Clash, your ultimate guide to product value, finding you the best deals in a flash. Last week's special episode, we looked back on Cash Clash's top dessert picks. This episode will reveal our must-try meals or savory standouts for the year 2024. Tara! Starting off strong for our top must-try meals of 2024, we have shawarma from Babe Mike Shawarma. Kaya for all shawarma rice lovers out there who want to try something na sobrang sulit, busog na busog ka at masarap pa, Babe Mike Shawarma is the perfect choice for you.
For only 65 pesos, ito na yung makukuha mo. Java rice, may gulay, at meron na rin tayong meat. Very generous serving of meat. Very meaty talaga at bagong-bagong luto. Slice off pa lang galing dun sa pangluto ng shawarma. Kaya ito, parang nakakabusog talaga ito. Sa 65 lang, sulit na sulit. Kaya try na natin. Wow. Yan, no? Actually, maganda yung pagkakapresent sa kanya. Yung karne sits on a bed of vegetables dito sa baba. Yung rice, may sariling lasa din siya actually. Pero altogether, sakto lang yung alat niya. And this is when it comes plain. Actually, meron pa silang free garlic sauce at chili sauce, no? Tatry natin with that. Hot sauce. Garlic sauce. Actually, hindi ako masyado nag-expect dun sa hot sauce kasi sobrang labnaw niya. Pero, totoo, may anghang siya. Sumisipa. Malasa yung garlic sauce niya enough despite its consistency. You wouldn't expect it, pero yung chili sauce at garlic sauce really elevates this to the next level. Sarap! Pinagsama-sama mo yung hot sauce, garlic sauce, tsaka yung gulay. Sobrang sarap ng freshness ng meal. And it comes together really well. Sa presyong 65, nangangalahati pa lang ako actually. Simula na ako mabusog. Sulit na sulit to. Try nyo.
Up next on our best savory meals of 2024, we have Chicky Oink Manila's Lechon Belly. Napakalaki nito. This was really a surprise for us in 2024, kaya if you're looking for quality lechon belly bursting with different flavors, then Chicky Oink Manila should be on your must-try list.
Ayan, so na-pick up na natin ang ating mid-range option sa isang village dito sa may President Marcos sa Marikina. Ngayon, pumunta naman tayo sa Riverbanks at mag-celebrate tayo ng Christmas saya para tikman ang ating lechon belly with a matching view. Alam nyo, hindi ko alam kung anong in-expect ko, honestly. Nung nakita ko yung box, akala ko, baka umaalog-alog lang talaga siya. At umaalog nga siya doon, pero hindi ko in-expect na ganito siya kalaki. Talaga yung sabi nila, 1.5 to around 2 kilos yung bigat nung lechon belly. And ayan, ang ganda-ganda nung pagkakapresent niya. Yung belly roll niya, meron talaga siyang mga feeling sa loob na nagbibigay ng lasa sa kanya at nagbibigay ng mga aromatics, yung tawag sa mga nilalagay sa loob ng lechon belly ganyan. Magbibigay flavorful aroma siya na tutulong sa lasa ng pork belly. Tapos actually hanggang ngayon papakinig ko sa inyo. Hanggang ngayon malutong pa rin siya. I think mga 11 pa lang ready na siya. Pinick up namin around 12 at ngayon mga 12:30 na, malutong pa rin talaga siya. This is the spicy lechon belly from Chicky Oink. Tara, try na natin. Ay ngayon nung nahiwa na natin siya, kitang-kita mo talaga yung dami niya talagang laman. Ang dami ng mga pampalasa at aromatics na nasa loob niya. At kung titingnan mo rin actually yung fat to meat ratio, hindi siya ganun kataba. Hindi ganun, wala siyang malaking fat cap na minsan hindi na maganda yung pakiramdam sa bibig o minsan hindi na rin ganun kasarap pagka sobrang nanlalamang yung taba. Nakatahi lang talaga yung taba niya through the layers. Ayan ngayon, since nasa labas tayo, magpipiknik tayo, meron tayong magandang view, Pinoy na Pinoy style tayo, magkakamay na tayo dito ngayon, okay? Tikman na natin. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo, pero ang sarap nung sumama na talaga yung taba dun sa karne at dun sa lutong nung balat. Yung anghang niya, subtle lang, hindi siya ganun kaanghang na hindi na makakain ng karamihan. Pero feeling ko perfect na perfect to pag ikinanin. Kaya susubukan ko na rin ngayon, okay? Ngayon, dagdagan din natin siya ng mga aromatics na pwede nating makita dun sa loob, no? Kasi hindi lang naman yan nandyan para talaga maging mabango yung lechon belly natin. Pero meron talaga yung angking lasa na binibigay dun sa lechon. Kaya tatry natin kasama yan, tsaka kasama yung rice. Yan. Grabe, bawat subo, bawat na-try ko dito sa lechon belly to, wala pa akong natatry na hindi malutong yung balat. Sobrang crispy niya talaga. Tapos, yung aromatics, pag sinama mo, dun pala natatago yung anghang niya. So, kung mas gusto mo ng maanghang, makokontrol mo yung experience mo. Kasi kung hindi ka masyadong mahilig sa maanghang, hindi mo kailangan lagyan ng mga nasa loob. Pero pag nilagyan mo, mas maanghang siya, mas flavorful. Pero yun nga, medyo may kaalatan lang. Kahit ikinanin, pero mas better siya at mas natotolerate pag may kanin. Siyempre, definitely yung mga nasa loob na parte, ibang usapan na rin yan. Tatry na lang din natin yan sa susunod siguro. Pero grabe, wala akong masabi. Ang sarap.
Last but definitely not the least on our must-try meals of 2024, we have City Hot Pot located at B2 BGC High Street, Taguig. If you have the budget and would like to treat yourself and your loved ones to a delicious hot pot meal, then we recommend you try City Hot Pot.
It comes with an assortment of mushrooms and tofus, assortment of shabu-shabu balls. Meron din tayong assortment of seafood na merong fish, scallops, mussels, at saka merong shrimp. Meron tayong tahong, ayan, marami. Premium beef brisket, dalawa ng premium beef brisket. At ang ating pinaka-premium na meat option for today, ang Wagyu Prime Short Ribs na excited na ako matikman. Also comes with this as an appetizer, Chawan Mushi. And now for our soup, we have a 4-grade soup here. Meron tayong original bone broth soup, merong seafood soup, meron namang mushroom soup, at meron syempre Sichuan spicy mala soup. Ayan, yung mga soup na yun, itatry natin yung lahat. Ito naman actually ang kanilang specialty homemade sauce na para makompleto ay kailangan natin lagyan ng 1 spoon ng any of the soup bases. I'm gonna go with the original para naman malaman natin kung masarap ba yung original soup nila, no? Ito, uunahin na natin ang ating Wagyu Prime Short Ribs. Ganda-ganda nung meat, oh. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung intramuscular fat o yung mga fat na nakatahi dun sa loob ng mga laman ng karne. Ito yung nagbibigay ng tenderness actually sa karne at nagbibigay ng flavor. Maganda din actually talaga yung quality ng premium beef brisket natin dito. Ang difference lang talaga, kitang-kita mo pag pinagtabi sila nitong Wagyu Prime Short Ribs. Ang laki ng difference nila. Although I'm pretty sure masarap din to. Gustong-gusto ko na munang tikman to. Kaya tara na. Una natin itatry syempre yung Sichuan mala soup. Syempre. Ayan, ito na yung Wagyu natin. Try natin with their sauce. Parang natunaw lang yung karne sa bibig ko pero very, very flavorful siya. Ang sarap niya talaga. Ngayon, kailangan ko siyang itry with the soup. And my favorite, syempre, is the spicy Sichuan mala soup base, no? Try natin siya with the soup lang. Wala yung sauce nila. Yung sauce, masarap yung sauce nila. It's a bit chunky. It has peanuts in it. Merong garlic. I think medyo on the sweeter side lang yung sauce nila. Although still very peanutty and meron naman siyang linamnam na kino-contribute, no? I wanna try the meat just with their soup base. No? Oh? Yan. Pinanata talaga pag social yung meat, no? Nagra-wrap around the chopsticks. Oops. Yan. Try naman natin with the soup. Tara! Ang sarap pa din talaga ng meat. Sobrang tender niya pa din. And nalalasahan ko pa din talaga yung meatiness niya. Yung that distinctly beef flavor, nararamdaman ko pa din siya. Although, it is a bit overpowered by the really, really spicy soup base, which I actually absolutely love. Medyo naubo lang ako ng konti. Pero ang sarap. Ang sarap ng sauce, ng soup base niya. Ang sarap-sarap. Yung meat, it just complements that soup base really well. Kahit ito lang mag-isa, ang sarap na ang sarap na talaga ng base ng soup. Now, let's try their other meat. O yung brisket naman nila. Ano tayo? Oh, kaya din kaya? Wow. Oops, try naman natin yung ibang soup. Try natin with their sauce. Personally, siguro hindi lang kaya i-discern ng dila ko, pero although masarap to, masarap din to, and hindi sila ganong nagkakalayo. Try naman natin to, the beef brisket with a different soup base, yung original nila. Masarap pa rin talaga, malinamnam. Dito actually, mas nagsha-shine yung quality ng meat at yung lasa niya. Mas nararamdaman ko dahil mas simple yung lasa ng soup base. So, marami talagang different experiences na naka-ready para sa'yo. There's 4 different soup bases na pwede mong itry. And bawat isa sa kanila, I think, will give a different experience with the different meats and seafood and all the other food we have in front of us. At syempre, hindi ko nga mauubos tong lahat. Kaya para tikman tong lahat at makain to, at siguradong maubos natin. Invite ko na lahat na ibang kasama natin. Tara!
What's your favorite food dito? And how was the overall experience? Yes?
Yung favorite ko muna dito is yung crab balls nila. Mas malinamnam. Tapos sa soup naman, ayun, ang dami nilang choices na kapag naumay ka sa isa, lipat ka sa isa, new flavor, ganon. For the experience, medyo pricey, pero goods ako dito kapag kunwari, birthday, kung mayaman ka at manlilibre ka, okay dito.
Favorite food is the Wagyu. Always and always Wagyu. Hindi kayo magkukulang kasi sobrang dami. Ang daming choices, ang daming pagpipilian. And experience, medyo madulas po. Hindi po kinakaya ng sapatos ko.
I like all your answers. Yung shrimp ball, the crab balls, the Wagyu. But for me, the best experience that I had in this is that all of us coming together and enjoying this beautiful meal made by beautiful people and beautiful animals. Pero pinaka-favorite ko dito, in fairness, ay yung shrimp. The shrimp was so plump, was sweet, was savory, and it really integrates with the soup very well. That's why it created this harmonious, delicious, sweet and spicy type of flavor. I like that a lot.
And there you have it. Natakam ako ulit looking back on our best savory dishes for 2024. And this year, mas naglulook forward pa ako to try more delicious meals and discover other tasty delights on our journey. Excited na ako magpakabusog pa ng more and more and more this year. If you enjoyed today's episode, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, I am Los Akiyama, and cheers to having more adventures this year.